Hello everybody, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today I will show you how to lock your PowerPoint presentation. And believe me, you will need this feature. For example, if you need to show someone your PowerPoint presentation, so this feature is very important. So let's go. Firstly, I will open a design of PyScale in PowerPoint presentation. To lock this PowerPoint, just go File, then Save As, then choose the place you want to save this file in it. You will change its name to PyScale logged. The trick here is in the Tools area, General option, and write a password in password to modify. Then it will ask you to re-enter the password again. Write the same password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and click save. Let's close the file and reopen it again. PyScale logged, and you will see that the file isn't open normally. You need to enter the password or press read only. If you click on read only, you can do nothing in this file. As you see, I can't click on anything and I can't move anything, just look like as a picture only. So if you send your design to someone, he can't do nothing or take a copy of it. He can't do nothing with it. He will see it as a picture. But if you enter your password, this is a normal PowerPoint presentation. You can do everything in it. Now we reach the end of our video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.